waiting hands up. Waiting hands first. Wait hands. I'm gonna do this one. Look, I'm gonna do this one, okay? Okay, there you go. Arrange. One. Rectangle like this. Good. Next. Green, yes. Blue. Next. Orange. Oh, next one. Purple. Yellow. Where? Yellow. Next. Pink. Very good. Next one. Oh, where is it? Here, look. Right here. On top. That's it. Okay, now look for the triangle. Where is the triangle? How about the next one? Next. Very good. How about this? Where is it? Where's the rectangle? Uh-oh. Where's the rectangle? Again. Rectangle. Fix it. Fix. Rectangle. Look. Okay, next one. Square. Next. Oh, triangle. Where's the triangle? Oh no, where's the triangle? Look, Ate Hazen, triangle. Where is it? Here, triangle. Oh, no. Ayun. Next one. Square. High five. Good job. Insert. Good job. Color green. Next. Blue. Insert. Purple. Insert the purple. Green. Very good. Green. Push. Blue. Next one. Yellow. Very good. Next. Yellow. Go Hazen. Push. Color red. Push. Okay, next one. There you go. Next one. Push. Good job. Thank you. Green. Yellow. Very good po. Yellow. Green. Nice one. Next one. Where is the lion? Where is the half of the lion? Oh, not like that. Like this. Look. Look. Push. Lion. There you are, lion. Next, how about the horse? Horse. Where is it? Horse. Horse. Okay, very good. Like this. Yan. Up. slowly. Okay, next one. How about the frog? Frog. Where is it? Frog. Frog. Orange my frog. Frog. Okay, next. How about the cow? Moo. Where is it? Where's the cow? Moo. Where is it? Which one? Oh, is that a cow? Very good. Put it together. Cow. Very good. Next one. How about the snake? Look at this one. Ate Hazen, look. Snake. Where is it? Where's the snake? Oh, look my snake. Kaya ito, oh. Like this, oh. Sa baba po, oh. Snake. Okay, next one. How about the rat? Rat. Where's the rat? Which one? Rat. Yes, rat. Where is it? Where's the rat? Look mo. Where is it? Rat. Which one? This one or this one? Rat. Go arrange it. Rat. Put it together. Rat. Where is it? Where's the half of the rat? Here, Hazen, look. Rat. Where is it? Oh, are you sure? No. Okay, put it together. Put it together. Push. Push. Like this, oh. Push. Ayun. And then, dragonfly. Fly, fly, dragonfly. Put it together. Put it together. Yun. Nice one. Next one. Let's put it here. Next, how about the... look mo. What's that? It's a bee. Wait for teacher. Look for the sheep. Where is the sheep? Sheep. Which one? Sheep. Where is it? Sheep. Oh, sheep. Where is it? Color white sheep. White sheep. Where are you? Oh, look. No. Where is it? White sheep. Put it together. White sheep. Where's the half of this one? White sheep. Look, the half of this. White sheep. Like this. Ate, look. Put it together. White sheep. Like that. Next one. How about the elephant? Where's the elephant? Elephant. Where's the half of the elephant? Which one? Elephant. Elephant. Okay, very good. Put it together. Next, how about the bee? Bee. Where is it? Bee. Look for the bee. Which one? Bee. Where is it? Oh, are you sure? Bee. Bee. Which one? Bee. This one. Look. Purple bee. Put it together. Yan. Bee. Last one. Bear. Put it together, the bear. Oh, finish na tayo dyan. This one. Put it together. Bear. Ayun. Very good. High five. High five. Very good. Numbers. We're gonna put the picture and let's count it and put it on the right number. How many books? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's number 4? Where's number 4? 4 books. Eyes on your work. 4 books. Where is it? 4 books. 4. Where's number 4? Where's number 4? Where is number 4? Oh, look at your finish your work. Where's number 4? 4. 4. 1, one. Oh, later. Later ang open. Later. Focus on your work. Where's number 4? 4. Look like this, oh. Hold mo. 4. Where's number 4? 4. Put it together. Slide. Next. How about number 1? Strawberry jam. Where's number 1? 1. Where's number 1? Look. Where's number 1? Which one? Yun. Very good. 1. Put it together. Okay. Next. How about 3 fishes? Where's number 3? 3 fishes. 1, 2, 3. Put it together. Look mo, eyes here. Put together. Yun. Next, how about 5 drums? 5 drums. Okay, very good. Put it together. Next, how about 2 violins? 2. Where is number 2? Put it together. Put together. Look mo. Slide and put. Okay, very good. Next one. 7, 9, 10, 8, and 6. Where is 8 balls? Number 8. Oh, number 8. Where's number 8? 8 balls. Where's number 8? Put it together. 8 balls. Slide, slide. Okay, next. How about 6 blocks? 6 blocks. Okay, very good. Put it together slowly. Okay, next one. How about 9 bananas? 9 bananas. Okay, very good. Put it together. Like here, oh. Put together. Slide. Okay, next one. How about 7 crayons? 7 crayons. Where's the 7 crayons? Look mo, where's 7? Number 7. Okay, very good. Oh, slowly. Put it together. Oh, 6. Yay! Last one. 10 umbrellas. The last one, where is it? Okay, put it together. Slide. Okay, good job. High five. High five.